Hi you guys, welcome back to Hidden Toy Shop Show. Today we're reading another book. It's titled Don't Push the Button, written by Bill Carter. Let's go ahead and get started. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what will happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ack! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Oh no! It's a cliffhanger! I wonder if Larry is ever going to get back to normal again. Hi you guys, so you're probably wondering why we have these cliffhangers. We believe that part of the journey of reading these books is to get them yourself. We also believe in supporting writers and authors.
The library.
And also your local bookstores. So go out there and find these books because they're really fun to read. Goodbye, come back again, okay?